Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video today we will learn how to reset forgotten password for Windows administrator account. Okay, so suppose if you are using Windows Server 2022, 2016 or any other Windows Server version, and if you have forget your Windows or you can say administrator password, okay, and you want to reset it, so I will show you how you can reset it. Okay, so what you need to do is you have to reboot your server using a bootable device or a CD-ROM. Okay, once you will boot, then you will be able to see this window. You have to click to next, and then here you will see option repair your computer. Okay, so you have to click on repair your computer and then click to troubleshoot option, then go to advanced option and then go to command prompt. Okay, here as we booted this server using USB drive or bootable drive you can say, or CD-ROM, so the path will be here like X sources. Okay, we have to go to the operating system drive. Okay, so let's try to find, let's type here D drive and enter. Let's do dir. You can see here there is no any program files or Windows file, so it is not the C drive or you can say operating system drive of this server. We'll check with the other drive. Let me enter here E drive and press enter, then do here dir. Now you can see we are able to see Windows program files and program file 86. That means this is the drive in which operating system is installed on this server. Now what we'll do, we'll try to go to the system 32 cd space Windows and then system 32. Okay, press enter. Now we are under Windows and system 32. Okay, here what you need to do is you have to enter here one command ren space utilman.exe space again utilman.exe old. Just we are trying to rename here this utilman.exe to utilman old. Okay, press enter. It is executed. Now here enter command like copy space cmd.exe space utilman.exe. Okay, and then press enter. You can see one file copied. Okay, so once you will see this message one file is copied, then just type here exit, press enter, and whatever Windows you are using, like it's Windows Server 2016, 2022, okay, or any other version 2012, just select this option continue to Windows Server 2016, 2022 or any other version. Make sure before clicking on this you remove the bootable device, whatever you are using, pen drive, USB pen drive or CD-ROM. Okay, so I have removed now, and let me click on this to continue. Okay, once you click to continue, server will reboot, and just press F1. It is asking, in my case maybe it will not ask to your on your server. So now you can see it is booting to Windows Server mode, and the next what we have to do is, once the server will be up, it's taking some time, so yeah, we need to wait for a few minutes. Applying computer setting. So now server is up, and what we'll do, we'll do alt control delete, and then in the right side corner you will see this option ease of access. Okay, let me move camera to that. Yes, so in right side you will see here this symbol ease of access. You have to click here. Okay, so once you will click, the automatic this window will be open. Command prompt Windows. Okay, system32 utilman.exe and this command prompt. Okay, what we'll do here now, we'll enter here command like net user space administrator administrator, and then we'll enter here password. So you have to enter here password, whatever you want to enter. Okay, let me enter here abcd minus 1 2 3 4. Okay, and press enter. You can see the command completed successfully. Let's exit and let's try to log in now using the same password. So this is my domain controller for which I reset the password, and let me log in now. You can see I'm able to log in successfully. So guys, in this way you can reset your password, administrator password, for your domain controller or for your Windows servers. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you, and I'll request you to please subscribe my channel. If you have any query, concerns, or if you need any assistance, please feel free to leave your comment. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.